Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. If you're new to this channel, my name's Kenny. I am a hillbilly. I work on RVs, so if that's the kind of thing you're looking for, you're in the right place. While you're here, don't forget to ring that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Bonnie has subscribed to my channel, haven't you, Bonnie? And she rung that notification bell because she's a smart kitty. What I want to show you today is this company sent me this dash cam for free. So they're not paying me for this video, but they did send this to me for free. It is the Viofo, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a dash cam. It's a pretty nice one. Not one I probably would have bought myself, because this one has Wi-Fi. So it does not have a view screen. It's a pretty small camera, but you can view it on your phone. It also, a couple other neat features I like about it, because I have a couple other dash cams, and the one especially, the one in my van, sometimes, you know, if something happens and you pull that card out of that camera and put it in the computer, a couple hours later, that file's not there. It does not save every file. This one does, it looks like. And the neat thing about this, since it is Wi-Fi, there's a little black button, really small, that mounts to your dash. If there's a video, so if something happens on the road, somebody, you know what it's like out there, people. I mean, you can't hardly drive through a green light intersection anymore without looking to make sure that somebody's not blowing through the light. So if somebody does blow through a light and they miss you, but it was really close and you want to show people, you just push that little button and it saves that file. So it will not be overwritten until you say, let's overwrite it. So that's a couple of things that I like about this. It's really cool. It has a lot of other great features. It does have the GPS. So it gives you your speed, your coordinates. Like I say, this is a better camera than I would have bought for myself. So I'm going to show you some of the video from this camera, actual video from the dash cam, right here. Well, not right here, but here in just a minute. While me and Mrs. Hillbilly go over to Kevin's Auto and RV Sales, Class B motorhome, or I guess it's a Super B because it has a raised roof, that Miss Hillbilly was just dying to look at. So we're going to go over and look at that, and that's the video that's going to follow after the dash cam video. So if you want to see that little walkthrough, it's a really quick one because it's a really small motorhome. While Bonnie knocks my box off, it didn't have the camera in it, it's just the box. Cats are such jerks, aren't they? Way to go, Bonnie. Yeah, stick around, watch that quick walkthrough on that little motorhome, and hope you enjoy this video. All right, now we're inside. We're
Miss Hillbilly's happy. I'm just looking.
no audio outside because we're right along a major highway. Yep. She's the 12-volt refrigerator.
So it doesn't have a freezer.
You just open the freezer.
Oh, this is the freezer?
Most probably.
Oh.
It has the microwave. It has no oven, which nobody ever uses anyway. Nice tall toilet after it's up on top of that pedestal. Might have to jump up on that thing. At least you're not squatting on the floor. Typical Super B or Class B. I don't know. That's probably a pretty good sized bathroom actually.
Is this a queen?
I would say that would be a full, wouldn't you?
No, I'd say it'd be a queen.
Okay, well, it's a queen.
But I don't know.
It's a queen now.
It's bigger than a full, because this would be your full. There you go.
Well, that's as far as the closet opens. I don't know if there's something in the way or what. That thing there was in the way. Something somebody added. So there you have it. There is oh good. We got the on-demand system too in this little cutie. So there's the full tour. Miss Hillbilly's gonna see if she can stand in the shower now, if she can stand up.
It's privacy, people, privacy.
Yeah. So that's it for the tour on this one. It is a quickie, but Miss Hillbilly drives by this thing twice a day on her way to work, and she wanted to see it, so I thought I'd bring her and you guys over to have a look-see at it today. So if anybody's interested in this thing, it's sitting at Kevin's Auto and RV sales here on Route 19 between Mount Hope and Oak Hill here in Southern West Virginia. So you can look them up on the internet. You know how to do that. If you want to talk to them about this. I love how she just talks over me while I'm doing an outro.
I'm sorry.
She knows absolutely nothing about YouTube.
I'm sorry, guys, but I'm seeing things that I think you guys would want to see. Mr. Hillbilly
I see things that's going to break.
Goes through and just blows through, and I see things that I think you guys might like to see.
Yeah, like the wireless phone charger over there.
Yeah.
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 That's on a bed on a dinette table that makes a bed, so you're gonna be putting a table up and down. I don't see anything go wrong there, y'all.
Well, but that's things that you can point out to them. That's like that one right there. You got.
Well, that's just a USB port. Anyway,
okay.
That's gonna be it for this one. As always, thanks for watching. It's Saturday. It's before Mother's Day. We're not going to go up the road and fix another one. We're going to run around for a little bit, buy my mom something for Mother's Day, and it's going to be it. Y'all have a fantastic day.